Ang potential kasi is such a broad word or term. Kasi ang gagawin talaga muna ng isang magulang for their kids is to make sure that they immerse themselves into sports. Hindi lang isa, basketball lang kasi sikat ang basketball. No, it's a lot of sports. So make sure na from ages as early as 6 to 13 years old, you make sure that they go through a lot of sports, multi-sports, basketball, volleyball.
Exposure.
Exposed talaga sila sa maraming bagay. Now, once you expose them, makikitaan nyo na sila nun. Either ng passion nila, gustong-gusto nila maglaro or gusto nila mag-train. Doon mo sila hubugin. Make sure that you support it. Hindi yung, kasi basketball player ako, dapat basketball player ka rin. Dapat gano'n. Hindi yan, kasi added pressure sa bata.
Sa bagay, no? Pero baka, gaano kalaking factor yung physical ng isang bata. Kasi iniisip ko, madami kasi sa atin basketball fans.
Mga
pero
Pinoy,
hindi
diba?
hindi naman matangkad. So, paano?
Pero hindi mo rin kasi, like, for example, kung 10 years old matangkad siya, pagdating naman ng 17, hindi mo rin naman alam kung
ano yun.
tatangkad ba siya or kung ano talaga. So,
Yeah.
again, it's exposing them to a lot of things to make sure that once this sport doesn't go right for him or her, pwede siyang lumipat. At the same time, nasa sa kanya yan eh. Kung talagang gusto nilang maglaro o gusto nilang mag-improve sa sport, hindi again natin pinipilit sa kanila. Yun yung talagang dapat natin tanggalin.
Javi, balikan ko yung libro ha, na hawak mo ngayon. So, parang merong something interesting sa loob nito. No? Sabi namin, i-reveal sa inyo, kailangan tingnan yung book. Pero there's a portion about pausing and reflection.
Yes.
No? So talaga, hindi ko lang makikita ng camera. Pero, para tuloy sa interactive, hindi ka lang
Hindi
nagbabasa.
masyadong kita. Pero blanco siya.
Pero blank siya with lines, so you will have some reflection there written siguro. No?
Yes.
Kung compared ka. Bakit naisip mo na ilalagay ko itong facet na to?
Kasi, like I said a while ago, this is just a reminder for everyone. Kasi we know what's right or wrong.
Yeah.
But sometimes, as parents, we want so much for our kids to perform well, to make sure that they are better than other kids, na nawawala tayo sa wisyo, kumbaga. So it's just, the book is a reminder for us to pause and reflect on what we are doing. If we're doing it right, then we continue. But at the same time, if you know there's something wrong or something that needs to be fixed, yan, nandyan yung pause and reflect. All of us, we need some kind of guidance when it comes to our kids because nga, sa pagmamahal natin sa mga anak natin, gusto talaga natin sila magaling, maganda yung pinapakita. But at the same time, we forget sometimes that it is their journey. It is their story, hindi sa atin.